You can see here I got a match with this guy, Randomfy, and when I add him and I start the first map, the opponent he get my IP address and he IP flood me. You can see here I gonna sign out. You can see here I can sign in. He joined me and he get my IP address, and when I send him ready, look it, I send ready GBA the friend request. Ready is 229, and the opponent he sent me console and he sent me 1 second. When I start the first map, the opponent IP flood me. You can see the names, Randomfy. The opponent IP flood me. I can sign in on my computer. I can refresh my team. Look it. And you can see here, wait, I can sign in. Let me wait. You can see here. You can see here my internet is turned on. Look it. It's all cables connected. It's connected. This is my router. The number 1 is the computer internet. The number 2 is the PS3 internet. You can see here it's connected. It's all turned on. Look it. PS3 cable is connected. You can see here. I'm gonna try right now. I'm gonna try. Let me see. You can see here I can't connect. Let me go to network settings. You can see here it's all connected. Look it. Let me get a internet connection test. The opponent IP flood me when he joined me. I don't know why, but he IP flood me. Look it, file it. I can connect. I send a friend request like this. This time 219. The opponent add me. When the opponent add me, he send me cancel. And when I said I don't going to cancel, the opponent he saved me 1 second and he IP flood me. Look the time. So good game, bro.